YouTube, what's up, what's up? I'm back. Today is one of those days, man, where the jet lag has hit. I honestly don't feel like it today, but I'm gonna push through. The time now is about 3, actually it's 4 p.m. 4 p.m. I kind of been in bed all day, just kind of out of it. So gonna try to push through and make it happen today. I'll play too. I have one. Yes. No, me too. I play. Yeah, I play. Yeah. Sounding all right. And I had to show that guy that played the sax some love earlier, because that's what I played growing up. Look at all these people. A lot of people. So we're now in the ladies' market. This is ladies' market? Yeah. Now in the ladies' market. But they should have things for men too, I think. I see some wallets right here. Is this for ladies only?
No. This is only for ladies.
Okay. So it's not just for ladies only. They have stuff for men as well. As you can see right here, this is the jacket that I have. The name of it is called Basane. I know y'all have seen this jacket before. Now they have it on sale now. No, two. Yeah, that's a regular price, and now it's on sale. All right. So nice. Virtual reality here. Look at that. Crazy. Oh wow. Oh, okay. It's a whole new world. This is the future. Virtual keyboard. Oh my God, look at this. This is the future right here for real. Yoga. That's the yoga book. Oh. Still just getting through this ladies market. This still a ladies market? Okay, it's not the ladies market anymore. It's Mongkok. The heart of Mongkok. What's up, YouTube? I'm back. I'm headed to the train station to meet up with my friends right now, and then we're gonna go on a little adventure. So stay tuned. Let's get it. Hong Kong. I'm here. I'm back. So today, man, we got drone on deck, Catman on deck. Let's go.
Here we go. East side.
You ready, man? You ready?
Always ready.
Have you been to the Big Buddha before? You been? Okay.
Been to the Big Buddha the first time.
All right, we're about to hit up the Big Buddha, man, see what's going on. And right now, just at the train station, we're gonna keep it moving. Let's go.
I'm back.
I love how they had the advertisements in the screen here that you can see. That's pretty neat. Make Make sure you let the passengers come out first, and then go. Alright, so we've been waiting in line patiently, somewhat. And now is almost time to get the tickets and everything and get on the car ferry. The car, they call it? Cable car, cable car.
Oh my god! Oh no! I'm scared! Begini.
Pantas gak ngomong begitu nih, ngomong ngomong.
Naik ke atas sana. Oh no. Oh itu naiknya lama sekali. Udah di atas kan?
Lu ikut takut, bingung bawa.
Oh iya. Oh no. Itu buat naik. Kalau nggak yes ya no. Yuli. Apa yuli?
Nah. Oh, udah kera
And this is the line to get back. It goes all the way back up to the building. So make sure you plan it out a little bit. Make sure you plan out a little time. Finally made it to the top. That's some steps, man. That's some steps. And if you're wondering where Catman is, he had to, you may catch up with him later. So, got the big Buddha right here. I really want to take the spark up the drone. I really want to clean it up. But as you can probably hear, it's windy. It's not great conditions. I just lost my other drone in the Philippines a while back. Should I go up? Should I not go up? So just finished a successful drone mission, but as you can see now, we are finishing up with the big Buddha. I did get a little bit of drone shot. I did one pass. I was gonna go again, but the wind was too hot. It was very, very high winds up here. So it's time to get back down here and get on to the next activity. As you can see, beautiful view out here.